Good morning, dear students. In this video, I give you English classwork of the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat. It is written by T.S. Eliot. This you have to write in your English classwork, okay? First, synonyms. Defy, disobey or resist openly. Fiend. Fiend means devil or monster. Feline, of or relating to a cat. Depravity, moral corruption. Levitation, floating in the air without support. Sways, it is a verb to move or swing from side to side or backward and forward. For example, the trees swayed in the breeze. Next, antonyms. Defy, obey or surrender. Depravity, morality. Fiend, angel or friend. Despair, hopefulness. Happiness. Next, questions and answers. Number 1. How Macavity does outwit the world's top investigation agencies? The answer is, whenever investigation agencies reach the spot of crime, Macavity is not present there. He also did not leave any clue of him. These agencies were not able to find any sign of Macavity. Like this, he outwitted the world's top investigation agencies. Second question. What is the most remarkable thing about Macavity? Answer. Macavity, known as the Mystery Cat, has defied all laws. He even defies the law of gravity. He possesses supernatural powers which allow him to levitate up in the air. He is so confident in his manner that whenever the crime is discovered, Macavity disappears without leaving a single trace. Next question. What is the rhyming scheme in the poem? Answer. A, B is the rhyming scheme in the poem. Next question. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Which figure of speech is used in the lines? The answer is simile. Movements like a snake. This is the simile figure of speech is used in the poem, in this above line, right? Next. Describe Macavity. Macavity is a tall and thin ginger cat whose eyebrows are deep with lines. He has sunken eyes which gives him a devil look. His coat is untidy and his whiskers are uncombed. He moves his head from side to side and his body movement is like that of a snake. He disobeys the law and breaks the law of gravity. He escapes easily from the police. Next. Sixth, last question. What are the poetic devices or figures of speech used in the poem? Personification, repetition, alliteration, metaphor, and simile are the poetic devices used in the poem. Okay? You have to write these notes in your English classwork. Okay, dear students, thank you.